A very lovely good morning to all my virtual audience. कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा. Hope you all are happy, safe and doing well in the online classes. Today, we the students of class 9th A are here to present the morning assembly in front of you all. The topic of our assembly is time management, which is surely a very important lesson in a student's life. A good day must start with a positive vibe. So, here we have Hemant to present the thought of the day.
Good morning. Today I, Hemant Chauhan of class 9th A, is here to delighten your day with a beautiful thought on time management. Time is the most valuable coin in your life. You and you alone will determine how to spend that coin. Be careful that you do not let other people spend it for you. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Hemant, for enlightening us with such an affable thought. Everything in this world is incomplete without a sense of poetry. Poetry is life. It teaches you how to live. Remembering this art, I would like to call upon Dhananya to present a poem in front of us.
प्रत्येक को सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम धनन्या बंसल है। मैं कक्षा 9वीं अ की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है वक्त नहीं। हर खुशी है लोगों के दामन में, पर एक हंसी के लिए वक्त नहीं। दिन रात दौड़ती दुनिया में जिंदगी के लिए ही वक्त नहीं। माँ की लोरी का एहसास तो है, पर माँ को माँ कहने का वक्त नहीं। सारे रिश्तों को तो हम मार चुके, अब उन्हें दफनाने का भी वक्त नहीं। सारे नाम मोबाइल में हैं, पर दोस्ती के लिए वक्त नहीं। गैरों की क्या बात करें जब अपनों के लिए ही वक्त नहीं। आंखों में है नींद बड़ी, पर सोने का वक्त नहीं। दिल है गमों से भरा हुआ, पर रोने का भी वक्त नहीं। पैसों की दौड़ में ऐसा दौड़े कि थकने का भी वक्त नहीं। पर आए एहसासों की क्या बात करे जब अपने सपनों के लिए ही वक्त नहीं। तू ही बता ए जिंदगी, इस जिंदगी का क्या होगा जहाँ हर पल मरने वालों को जीने का भी वक्त नहीं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Dhananya, for presenting such a heartwarming and influencing poem. We really admire you. Now, here we have Aaron to address us with his speech.
Good morning, everyone. It is rightly said, time is the one thing in life that you can never get back. Once it's gone forever. Time management is the course of marshalling everyday routine to harness the maximum time available. Time management is a method to work smarter rather than harder to get more out of your time and resources. Everyone has the same amount of time, 24 hours a day. The key is to allocate appropriate time to your activities based on their importance. It is up to one to utilize it whatever way one wants. One may waste it on insignificant things or use it productively. The decision is theirs. Time is a priceless asset. The time once lost cannot be reclaimed and reused ever. Success only approaches when a person utilizes his or her time suitably and efficiently. The skill of time management will make more goals oriented and help one realize dreams. Here are some tips for effective time management. Number 1. Set goals correctly. Set goals that are achievable and measurable. Number 2. Prioritize wisely. Prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. Set a time to complete a task. Number 4. Take a break between tasks. Number 5. Organize yourself. Number 6. Remove non-essential activities from your list. Number 7. Plan ahead. Remember, friends, your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice time ahead.
Thank you, Aaron, for such an informative speech. It will surely be very helpful for the rising Indianites. Now, the last but not the least, we have Rohit and Arushi to tell us more about time management.
Time is one of the most essential things in our life. From our childhood till our last day of the life, we spend time as we like. Once spent, it never returns. So we should learn how to spend our time wisely so that our life would be blissful and successful. There is a beautiful lesson by Bill Gates. Don't make same decisions twice. Think about it, take your time and make a strong decision at the first go so that you will not open issues for yourself. By opening the issues, it will not only interfere with your execution level but also with your motivational level in doing any work.
Good morning. I'm Arshi Tyagi of class 9th A, and today I'm going to tell you about the consequences of not having a time management. Poor quality of work. When you're trying to complete tasks at the last minute, you almost sacrifice the quality of work for speed. You can avoid this by leaving enough time at the end of the day to check any mistakes and make changes at the last minute. Lack of sleep. Not everyone is a morning person, and you might be productive in the alternate hours. But being a human, we need 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and if you're not getting that, you need to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Poor exercise. A common excuse for not exercising is that I'm not having enough time as I need to complete a long to-do list. But in reality, it's about not having a proper time management. If you're not taking care of your body, your mind might be suffering and you are not getting the most value out of your time. So remember to maintain a proper time schedule to avoid these issues. Thank you.
A great thanks to both of you. Now, reaching at the end of assembly, I would like to thank you all for being such a patient audience. Hope you found the assembly to be very informative and enjoyable. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.